use Localization Workspace to create and submit translation requests. The Localization Workspace home screen is where you request translations. It also serves as a translation dashboard to track submitted translation requests and get additional information like number of words per project and the estimated cost. Let's see how Anne, a project manager for Acme Corp, creates a request to translate all email notifications related to passwords into Spanish. To get started, she selects Request Translation. This process is divided into 4 steps. In step 1, Anne provides a short description and selects the target language. In this case, the only required language is Spanish, but she could select multiple target languages if needed. Anne needs the translation as soon as possible, so in the translation provider field, she chooses Spanish MT, that is, machine translation. When she clicks Next, the content gets assigned to the appropriate workflow. In step 2, Anne selects the content type she wants to translate as Email Notifications Configuration. But Localization Workspace also allows you to create projects for more than one content type needed. She selects Next to continue. By default, in step 3, all content with the translation status of untranslated or partially translated is available for translation. Anne selects the different items she wants to submit for translation and clicks Next. In step 4, Anne gets an estimate summary that contains the word count and estimated cost of the job. With this information, she can track spending and plan future localization activities within her budget. When the review is complete, she selects Submit. After the translation request has been submitted, it appears on the dashboard, and a localization framework project is created automatically, containing all the different items requested for translation. By using Localization Workspace, Anne doesn't have to manually create a project and add items one by one. When the email notification translation cycle is complete, all the items submitted for translation will be published and ready to use. Create your translation project using Localization Workspace.